Hi guys, Simon here, and I just want to introduce you to our BLU Water Softener. This is a 10-litre under sink cabinet water softener. This system is specially made for Renewell water. It's a very ultra compact water softener. It's probably the smallest 10-litre water softener on the market. It can do anywhere between 1 to 6 people in a home comfortably. It's a clack valve, so that means the brain of the system is a clack valve. It's made by the Clack Corporation in America, which is one of the best valve manufacturers for water softeners in the world. So every time you use 2,000 litres of water in your household, the system will kick in and it'll do a regeneration. So it's going to clean out the resin using salt. So every 2,000 litres of water used, you're going to use 1 kilogram of salt to clean out the resin in the tank. So it's going to be very cheap to run it every year. On a standard house with maybe 4 to 5 people, you might use between 4 and 6 bags of salt every year. It's also a DV valve, which is a ceramic valve. This valve only has 30 working parts in it, so it's a very simple valve and it's not complicated. So therefore, you don't need to service it like other models every year. It's very simple. You install it, you keep salt in it, and the system will keep working. So if you have problems in your home, like limescale in your kettle, limescale all around your kitchen sink, or limescale in your shower, or around any of the taps in your bathroom, at your kitchen sink, wherever it might be, wherever the hardness in the limescale is showing up, when you install the BLU Water Softener, it's going to eliminate that 100%. So the benefits that you will then feel when you are showering in soft water, your hair is going to be a lot more silky and soft in comparison to when you have hard water. Your skin is very dry, your hair is very dry and straw-like, so you're going to change that, completely turn it upside down, and you're going to have soft hair and softer skin.